Hello, fellow travelers. Travel Towner here, and today we are in Metro West in Orlando, Florida. We'll be traveling along Metrowest Blvd, where it starts at Barack Obama Pkwy, and travel east. We will cross Kirkman Road, travel up through Metro West, and end where the road ends at Hiawassee. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching these videos. I really appreciate it. And if you love what you see, please consider liking, commenting, and sharing these videos with your friends. And if you really like these videos, the best thing you can do is subscribe to this channel so you can see whenever I put more videos out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the road.